What's happening, everybody? You know what time it is. That's right. Keenan just felt like cooking. This your boy Keenan here. I'm about to get it going on a piece of meat that I never thought I'd eat, but after watching my man Joe from Southern Coastal Cooking, the first dude I've ever watched barbecue on YouTube, and that's a fact. I wanted to learn how to use an electric smoker, and I'm going through YouTube, and for some odd reason, dude's little symbol, his little thumbnail caught my eye, and I've been watching him ever since. And what my man Joe was doing, he was doing some ostrich burgers, straight up ostrich burgers. I couldn't believe it. So he had a link on his page to American Ostrich Farms, and I definitely clicked on it, and I went on ahead and ordered me a couple burgers, and I'm gonna check it out. Pete gang. Alright, so what I got here is a tray of bacon, which I'm about to throw in the oven, get that nice and crispy and delicious. And with this bacon is going on, like I mentioned, straight up ostrich burgers. Got these from American Ostrich Farms, and this is 3 burgers in here, and all I'm gonna season them with is this right here. This Mccormicks all-purpose seasoning, garlic, herb, and black pepper, and sea salt. This is a straight rub. You can add this to something or use it on its own. It's amazing, and they got different flavors, so be sure to check them out, McCormick's. The bread I'm using, I found straight up 3-pack of Ciabatta Rolls. I'm like, it must have been a sign that I found a 3-pack of Ciabatta Rolls, and I'm about to grill up 3 ostrich burgers. So I'm gonna get this bacon in the oven, and we're gonna get these burgers on the grill. You know what time it is. Back in a minute. So this is the ostrich burgers. As you can see, you got some nice little pieces of fat in there. Nice lean red meat. I hear they produce more red meat than a cow. That's crazy because it's a bird. But yeah, so we're gonna get to sprinkling with some of this right here. Yeah, that's it. That's all I'm using. I'll sprinkle that over there. Sprinkle that right there. Sprinkle that right there. Get a nice little crust on there. Nice little crust on there. I got the grill out there getting ready. Broke my smoker down, my Brinkman down the grill. About to grill these bad boys on some Kingsford Cherrywood. And we're going to get it going. And of course, people, when you're handling raw foods, wash your hands. Hands will be washed when I'm done with this. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands and season this other side, and we're going to be back to throw these bad boys on the grill. Back in a minute. Alright, so we out here on the grill. Like I said, I got that Kingsford Cherrywood going. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna cover these bad boys up, let them go a minute, and I'll be back with a flip. Oh yeah, your boy Keenan. Straight up ostrich burgers. I ain't gonna lie, I never thought I'd be eating some straight up ostrich. But you know what time it is. Back in a minute. I gotta go check this bacon. Yeah. Alright, let's get a look at these bad boys. Whoa. They look like they about ready to get some flippage. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that one. Okay. The last one is always tricky. There we go. Keep it together, King. I mean, we get a little crust on there. It's going good. Alright, so I'm going to cover these back up. Go back in here and check on this bacon. Actually, I got my son in there looking at it. But I'm going to cover these back up and let them go. And I'm going to get to slicing up these Ciabatta Rolls to grill up on this grill since the coals are hot. Alright, back in a minute. Alright, so these bad boys is nearly done. We're going to throw a slice of pepper jack on one. And then a good old slice of cheddar on the other. And then that one I'm just going to leave plain because I want to taste it. Alright, so we're going to let this cheese melt and get ready to pull these bad boys and get to making a burger. right after I grill up these ciabatta buns. Back in a minute. So I got these jokers pulled. As you can see, that McCormick seasoning, that could be a dry rub in its own, and it definitely does justice. So I got the meltage on the cheddar and the pepper jack, and then we got the plain, and then I got this nice tray of bacon here that I did in the oven, just to throw that in there while I was getting everything ready with these burgers, and let the oven do the work for me. So now I'm about to grill up these ciabatta rolls, and then we'll be back putting the burger together. Yeah, your boy Keenan. Straight up Ostrich Burgers. So while I'm out here grilling up these ciabatta rolls, thought I'd enjoy a nice Inca Cola. The golden cola. And this stuff is good. I don't know, you know, I need a case of this. Like a 6-pack or something. Because it's like yellow like Mountain Dew. It tastes like cream soda. But then got a serious caffeine kick in that bad boy. Inca Cola. You see it in the store, try it out. Alright, let's get back to these rolls. Got these bad boys nice and grilled up. And for each of these, what I'm going to put on it is some Japanese mayo and some Dijon mustard. That's what I like to eat on my burgers. So there's the rest of the rolls. Nice and toasty, buttered on the grill with that applewood. So not that applewood, that cherrywood Kingsford. So those should have a nice little flavor on them. And then here go the burgers, straight up Ostrich Burgers. We got one plain, we got one with cheddar, and we got one with pepper jack. Alright, so I don't know which one I'm going to put bacon on. But this one, I want to try first, the plain one. So I'm going to go ahead and put it together. We'll be back with a bite. I went ahead and cut this bad boy open. This is the plain Ostrich Burger with just Japanese mayo and Dijon mustard. So we're going to see what this bad boy tastes like. And since this little piece fell off. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's get a bite. Alright. Ostrich Burger. Yeah. Okay, you see the eyes closed right there. That means I'm really enjoying it. Get you some ostrich meat. I'm trying to tell you. That is good. That is really good. Alright, let's get the cheddar and bacon one together. Okay, so I got a little bit of Japanese mayo on there. And I think I'm going to go ahead and pick, I don't know, man, just cheddar. I mean, hardly any shrinkage, so it definitely goes good with this ciabatta. I mean, you got a little extra bread on there, but you're going to eat that because it's grilled up toast. And then I'm going to go ahead and throw some of this bacon. Yeah, 4 pieces of bacon. Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this and get a bite. So here we are with the bacon. And you can see that bacon and that cheddar in there. And I thought maybe that ostrich wasn't cooked all the way. But boy, when I took that bite, that first one, it really is. It takes on flavor really well. And with the help of that Kingsford Cherrywood, gave it some justice. So, I mean, look at that. That is amazing. Let's back up. There it is. Yeah, okay. That should be an emoji. I'm just saying. On my temptations. Alright, let's get a bite of this bad boy. Alright. Bacon and cheddar. Ostrich Burger. This, the eyes closed again. Alright, I am on ostrich meat. I will be contacting American Ostrich Farms to get some more burgers. I guarantee that. Man, this is so good. I can't believe it, like how good ostrich is. I had some ostrich jerky one time, and I didn't like it. But this, with that McCormicks and the grill, on point. On point. On point. Alright. This your boy Keenan. I'm going to put that down. Take me another swig of this Inca Cola. I'm going to go ahead and chill for the rest of the day. Alright. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And to the 97 subscribers I have, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That means a lot to me. Everybody be safe out there. Wash your hands, use common sense. Don't waste your time protesting. Okay, people? You got better things to do. You could be coming up with a recipe like I do. Like many people do on the YouTube universe. One.